What's up, Sour Slices? Welcome back to another video, and this is actually surprising, but it's a double upload day today. So if you see earlier, you saw my SWAT minifigures video. That went up probably like something like maybe an hour or 30 minutes ago. Depending on when you're seeing this, it could have been 2 hours. But yeah, today's actually a double upload day, which is pretty cool. Because I don't think I've ever actually done a double upload. If I have, then you can comment down below. But yeah, pretty cool. So we're going to get on with this video, which is basically how to build secret compartments in a Lego truck. Now, what I'm talking about by secret compartments is you can use these secret compartments to hide anything. You can hide your Lego guns or your Lego Breaking Bad products. I'm going to get yellow $sign if I say what they are. But yeah, before we actually start this video, let me tell you guys about Brick Republic, the #1 reseller for Brick Arms products. Brick Republic have lots of Brick Arms products to choose from, such as helmets, vests, and guns, which you've seen in probably all of my videos, and you see them in my SWAT video that I just released earlier. Brick Republic ship free, so Brick Republic ship free, so if you're spending $30 American or $39 Canadian, your order will get free shipping. And if you're spending $25 on your order, instead of paying the extra for shipping, add an extra $5 of guns and get the shipping for free. If you want to save even more money, you can use our code SOURSLICE. I'll put it up on screen. But you can use that code at checkout if you want to save 10%. It works on any order, so no matter how small or how big your order is, you can use that code. But I'd recommend you use it on a bigger order, because the higher your order, the more you'll actually save. So if you're using it on an order of like 3 things, you won't save as much as using it on an order of 20 things. But yeah, they ship worldwide, so no matter where you live, you can get the products. And yeah, be sure to check out Brick Republic. I'll leave a link to them in the description. Alright guys, so let's actually get started with this video. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to move the camera. So now we have this like upwards camera angle, so you guys can actually see down into this truck that I'm going to be showing you guys how to build the secret compartments for. So here we go, we have the camera looking down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up this truck. Just like that. So now we can see inside. I'm actually going to move the camera a little bit. There you go. Now you can see directly downwards into the truck. And I can do this easier. And you guys can see it easier. So I'm going to remove this little thing right here. I'm just going to put it down right here. So our first compartment is going to be just a simple Lego boxes compartment. So what we're going to do is we're just going to hide it with these Lego boxes, and I'm actually building it on the wrong side right here. Give me a second, I need to turn this truck around. So we want to be building this secret compartment on this side of the truck, because this side has doors that you can open. And it's not very secret if you can just go straight into it. So right here we're going to put our Lego boxes just like this. Stacked up. These boxes are 4 tall, just so it can go almost directly up to the ceiling of the truck. And we're going to put 2 more just attached together to make it a little less conspicuous. Now behind this you can hide whatever you want. So let's say I have some dynamite that I want to hide for some reason. I can just put all this dynamite in the back right there. No one can see. Let me show you guys if I actually put this cover on the truck. So take a look in there, guys. It's actually, you can barely see down, and you wouldn't be able to tell that there's actually a secret compartment. This one is a bit easier to tell that it's secret, but the next 2 that I'm going to show you are a lot harder to tell that it's actually a secret compartment. So let's go ahead and take these out and get building on our second compartment, or our second little wall, which is going to be these crates. So if we stack these crates 3 high, they actually reach just up to the ceiling. So I'm going to put these crates just like this, and then we're going to get 2 more crates. Put them right there. Just like that, as you can see. And then we're going to put 1 more. Just like that. So it looks like it's just 3 crates, or a bunch of crates stacked up on top of each other, when you can actually have this secret room back here. And it is completely blocked off. So if I put this little ceiling thing back and I put the roof back on, if you were to look down the truck from the doorway, you actually cannot tell that there's actually a secret compartment back there, because the crates are stacked so high that it reaches up to the ceiling. But it also allows the ceiling to close itself completely, so you can use this in anything really. So on to our final secret compartment. I'm going to take off these crates. Okay, so now that these crates are gone, we can put in our final secret compartment, which is actually just 5 yellow bricks stacked on top of each other. Because these bricks are stacked on top of each other, they're the exact same color as the walls. So what we can do is we can actually just put the bricks right there. And it really just looks like it's the end of the truck. So let me put the top back on, and you've still got plenty of space in there to put at least, like, you can put 2 minifigures, maybe even 3, or you can fill it up with money if you want. There you go. No one will ever notice that there's actually money hidden back there because of the wall that's covering it. So let me show you guys once again how this wall actually looks. So I'll just go ahead and put on the put the whole truck back together. So let me show you guys down the end of the truck. There you go. I don't think I fully sealed it onto the ground enough for it to sticking out a little bit, but as you can see inside the truck, it's almost impossible to tell that there's a secret compartment hidden behind there because the doors are right here. So when you open the door, it really just covers up this little tiny space that's actually left right here, and you can not tell at all that there's a secret compartment behind there. But anyways, guys, that does it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, then please be sure to leave a comment down below. Tell me what you thought of the video. If you liked it, then please be sure to leave a like. And if you're new here, why not subscribe? It helps the channel. And yeah, let me get my comments actually enabled right now. So, damn hell. Sorry, guys. I have to say that in every video if I want comments to be enabled and if I want to bypass YouTube's stupid filters. But yeah, I'll see you guys all in the next video. Stay sour.